That is a tight squeeze. He's going to hit that car.
He's so close to hitting it.
Wow. Good luck getting back in your car, my friend. He's at it. He's at it. Hasn't he? No, he is inches away, man. Wow.
Oh.
Good driving. Oh, we can get some clappage if you want. Both of you clap. Yeah, and you as well. Maisie, you want to clap? Yeah. Does knob-ending Mercedes not able to read? I think. Oh, bless her. Him. I couldn't see. Is it him or her? Is it Herm? Herm couldn't read. Oh, bless them. I'm saying they couldn't read. They might have just had like zero disregard for child safety. I don't know. Go on, go on, go on, go on! At least he put his foot down. I'll give him that. I'll give him some credit. Wow, the timing on that little manhole cover thing. Wow, that was like perfectly timed. Wow. What are we waiting for then? What's the hold up? We have priority, my friend. Let's skedaddle skedoodle. Hello? Hello? Now nothing's moved, but why were you waiting for? What was the hold up? There wasn't a hold up, was there? Nutter? There was no hold up. There was nothing holding us up. I don't understand. Fucking weirdo.
Is there?
Yeah.
What did they put you for?
Because he's a knobhead. He's talking about cementing where that boot is. That's what I said. Please tell me the camera picked that up. The placement of that phone holder. How can you possibly be stupid enough to put it right in front of your steering wheel? That's not normal, is it? That is weird, man. The thing is with drivers like that who put their phone right in the middle of the window, right in front of their face, you can tell 100% where their priorities are, can't you? It's not on driving, I can promise you.
Oh, it's been perfect weather today.
Yeah, I know. Welcome to my world. Everyone's a fucking idiot. Do me a favour.
Yeah.
Shout, you dirty bitch.
Dirty bitch!
Thank you. You're driving uphill into a cycle box when you could have. Oh, I don't know. He's gonna go, isn't he? Where's the white line to, man? That's how I imagine people are that sound, because they can't be that intelligent, can they? I'm not getting through there. Don't you dare be silly. Don't be silly. Did he really think I was going to come down and just drive through the forest? You're welcome as well.
Oh, careful!
Oh, sorry.
Ah.
LOL. Give me your money. Oh dear. Wow, wow. It even says on the signs we'll have to go past, and just to double check, we'll have to just to make sure, because there's some people that believe me. People think I'm lying. Rear cam, please, Benji. Let's transfer to rear cam. What does that sign say? As I said, there are some very special little snowflakes in Bristol. Buy the t-shirt.
We have a route and we have a plan. Work from home if you can.
Greta, back me up on this one. Oh, that fucking stinks, man. That is nasty.
How dare you!
Control the virus, go to work. Sit in the sun, stay alert. We have a route and we have a plan. Work from home if you can. Hands, face, space, space.
Even though they put little plastic children telling you not to park there, people still park there. That is just a completely different level of special, isn't it? That is. But then again, thinking about it, if you're either blind or stupid enough to park on zigzags, you're not really going to give a shit about a little plastic child, are you? You're not. We'll just give that one Knobhead of Monday Morning Award.com.
Look, Daddy.
Is that a submarine? What is that? Is that a yellow submarine?
No.
Hey, sit! And then maybe try defrosting your windows before driving off, you monkey. What do we say when we see a dirty car?
David.
Kids, I've got the weekend.
Oh! And then we're going to turn around. We're going to turn around, Meets Milk. Wait there. We've got to turn around and see that. That was smexy. And I need to investigate. Hello. We're gonna drive past slow, Meets Milk. That is beautiful, man. That is rear cam. That is beautiful. Beautiful, Maisie Mill. I hope you realise we're going to get people in the comments saying, "Oh my God, Benji, why are you driving past looking at cars going so slow? Why are you holding everyone up?" They're going to say that, they are, Maisie Mill.
Yeah.
They are going to get really upset. There's some people that are like that.
Yeah, people.
They don't slow down to appreciate...
Daddy.
What?
Car.
Yeah, we missed it now. It's gone. They don't slow down to appreciate a sexy car when they see one.
No.
And that is tragic, that is, Maisie Mill.
Yeah.
It is tragic.
Yeah.
Ooh, hello. There's some sexy cars about here today. That's beautiful. We're going to switch to rear cam for that one. Bonus clip. That taxi just come up in one way and has now taken up 2 spaces. Super.